Alright, so here's the tablet. I'll go ahead and turn the key and you'll see the display come on, connects to the Rockford Fosgate 360 sound processor, and when that is done, it actually removes key guard. There you go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and switch here to another subject. Actually, I mean, it still concerns Tasker, but I want to show something that I'm using it for here. I don't know if many of you guys use, Google Play widget, but the buttons are ridiculously small, and if you're using this for a vehicle infotainment, as they call it, or whatever, it's not safe, and I don't recommend anybody use it. Tasker allows you to create your own buttons and set it to use Google Play, for instance. I'll go ahead and hit play here.
Stuck in the tree is what you will be, like a cat, and I'm the dog at the bottom looking up.
These buttons are a lot safer to use than these tiny little damn buttons. And I've already, made a comment on the Play Store about how tiny those damn things are. Even if you go to the Play Store, or to the Play Music deal, these are way too small still. Don't be fumbling around while you're trying to drive. You're gonna hit somebody. That's just stupid. So I made some bigger buttons, and you can actually even make them bigger.
Now what's that? It was right there, 'cause I take it right there.
So there you go. I created those buttons using Tasker. It was real easy. Let's go ahead and switch over to Tasker here, and I'll show you what I have. I'm going to pause it. Okay, here we have Tasker loaded up, and I'm going to show you guys how I created these tasks. The ones that are green are the ones that are actually active and happening, being used right now. If you notice over here, I turned them off. Hemi on. So what happens if I have any power and I have my tablet docked, I want you to process this little green arrow up here that says BT on, and I just named that for Bluetooth on. And I'll show you what it does. But I'll come over here. So again, here's any power source. Oh, snap. I backed out of it by accident. Sorry about that. Go back here. There's docked. Any type of dock you can specify. It can be car or desk. I just left it as any. Anyways, Bluetooth on. So I have it set up so that if if I have any power and I have it docked, turn the Bluetooth on. Next, what happens after that? I come up here, and the Bluetooth connects to my 363. That's how I gave it the name on the actual sound processor. And here's my MAC address. And here it's set up so that once that Bluetooth is connected to that Rockford Fosgate 360.3, it turns off the key guard, waits a second, turns auto brightness off, waits another second, turns the display brightness all the way to 100% or 255, how it says there, and wait another second, and then the media volume, I want you to set it to 12. Okay, we'll go back. Now what happens when I turn the truck off? Here we go. You just hold down this button here, and it'll ask you if you want to set an exit task. And here's my exit task. And you can set it up here as well. This video is not so much to teach you how to use this program, but if you watch Armando Ferreira's and Tech Ninja's videos, that'll teach you how to use them and stuff. This is just giving you an idea of what else you can use them for. So I have it set up so that when the truck is turned off, turn my auto brightness back on, wait a second, turn the Bluetooth off, wait a second, set the media volume to 6, wait another second, and turn the key guard back on, wait a second, and lock the system. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that it actually, does lock. I'll remove the key, open the door so that any power is drained, close the door, and you have everything processing right now, and boom, there you go, it is locked. Anybody tries to take this out, which they can, I'll still be able to trace it if it gets online or whatever. This is a Wi-Fi only, but I plan on getting the LTE version one, which is also a 1.5 dual core, as opposed to this Wi-Fi only, which is 1.1 dual core. And we'll turn the key here back on, and you'll see this thing unlock again. There you go. Let's see, what else did I want to show you? I think that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else. There is a little problem that I ran into. For some odd reason, when I'm using Tasker, this MX player, it doesn't want to play movies. It freezes the frame and leaves it there. However, if I disable Tasker, it starts working again. And the way you disable that is you hold down this little icon up here in the corner, and now it says disabled, and then to turn it back on, I turned it off so it's doing its own thing or whatever. But that's all I got. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave them down below. Any questions, leave them down below, and I'd be happy to help in any way I can. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Later.